body to body doesn't simply refer to physical closeness. In the context of the song, it symbolizes unity, shared experiences, and genuine human connection. To understand the meaning, you all must need to know that Body to Body is inspired by concert energy, real human connection, the Olympics, hand in hand, Korean cultural pride through Arirang, and the idea of putting aside hate to enjoy life together. In Rolling Stones, RM explained that Arirang was added in stages, and members also described Body to Body as a modern reinterpretation of Hand in Hand, and as a peace song transforming I into Yuri, we. The intro is a call and response between BTS members. By repeating I need and asking what do you need, they build excitement and show a desire for energy, connection, and crowd participation. The use of twin makes it feel like a friendly conversation, setting up the song's fun and energetic atmosphere. Symbolizes living in the moment rather than through a screen. Means the bond between BTS and their fans. Symbolizes excitement, freedom, and shared positive energy. It shows BTS's global influence and music's power to unite people. It means letting go of conflict, hate, and online negativity. Emphasizes the value of time and avoiding pointless hatred. It is an invitation for everyone to join and belong. Means human connection, unity, and shared energy. The speaker desires closeness, connection, and shared energy with someone. Also, they want that person to stay close and share the moment together. Together, they feel unstoppable, chasing dreams and enjoying a special connection. Even though the night is over, they don't want the experience to end. The pre-chorus is about closeness, unity, and enjoying a special moment with someone for as long as possible. The moon symbolizes dreams and excitement, while the sunrise symbolizes time passing. Yet they choose to stay together and keep the moment alive. This symbolizes a desired connection or special companion. Repetition means strong longing and appreciation. It emphasizes universal appeal, positive energy, and inclusiveness. The connection and chemistry feel strong and close. He is talking about the special bond they share. Their connection is unique and different from everyone else's. They are fully enjoying the moment and living freely. The night is so exciting that they don't want to sleep or miss any part of it. Emotions and excitement are rising and overflowing. Don't just talk about it, live it and enjoy it. You can either experience it yourself or only read about it from others. This verse celebrates a strong connection, shared excitement, and living in the moment. It encourages people to enjoy life, embrace their bond, and make unforgettable experiences together, experiencing life firsthand rather than observing from a distance. The theme of pre-chorus is a desire for closeness and a moment that never ends, while chorus is about searching for a special connection and shared energy. Reference to Korea's famous folk song Arirang, expressing deep emotions and cultural pride. Arirang Hill symbolizes moving forward through challenges or separation. This refers to someone who chooses to walk away. It suggests that leaving may lead to regret or hardship. Overall meaning is a reflection on separation, regret, and overcoming challenges. It is the final call for everyone to unite and enjoy the experience together. Why it comes after the bridge. The bridge reflects on separation and challenges, while the outro brings everyone back together. It transforms a moment of reflection into a moment of unity, ending the song with collective energy and connection. Salam alaikum.